thoughts, and branch also has come up with. So Maharajji from Ramakrishna Mission and other Ramakrishna Mission representatives, my dear colleagues, and esteemed customers who are present here. So as all of you know, like Maharajji was saying, State Bank of India doesn't need any introduction. So we are the most trusted brand in India, and also we are the best consumer bank. You know that this kind of award has been bestowed upon us by Global Finance Magazine New York. So it's a kind of testament to our continuous support services, to our customers. And we are thankful to our customers who have been so loyal to State Bank of India. And due to them only we are the premier banking institutions and still maintains the positions and increasing our business, over the years. So many milestones we have crossed in the recent times, including the reaching market cap of $100 billion, then total business exceeding rupees 100 trillion if you put total the deposits and advances. So it shows that like the bank is growing and bank is actually kind of taking it forward in a big way. So this has come because of our constant changes which we are adopting again and again, and digital landscape which has actually changed in these last 7-8 years in India, and bank has also kind of changed itself, come up with new product services. Those are aligned to the digital progress, and a lot of digitalization has taken place in the bank. And it so happens that when we come up with this kind of digital products and services, this will not only help the customers in kind of getting these products and services. Generally, what we tell that they get the bank in their hand. Like if we have like now bank has come up with tool, the banking app, mobile app what we have. If we download this, the customer has the entire services available in his hand. He need not visit the branch. He may not have to visit the branch at all. So that kind of things are happening in the industry, and bank is well ahead of the curve. But I would say that bank has always believed that we have to be phygital, like we have to have a physical presence and we have to have a digital presence. And we always say customer first and digital first. So why the physical presence is required is that we have always believed that the bank needs to connect with the customers. See, we cannot be a faceless organization. Many banking or other institutions where these kind of neo banking concepts this comes. So maybe people are kind of not so confident or so receptive to get only the mobile app. So somebody there to talk to, somebody there to solve their problem, somebody there to interact face to face. That's why bank has believed that this to remain amidst the customers and to maintain that relationship with the customer, we have to have both approaches. So that's why we are opening more and more branches, so that we are taking banking into the nook and corner of the country. Everywhere you see now we have more than 23,000 branches, and also we are going strong digitally. So these are the two things which is helping the bank. And in the branches also we have come up with so many aspects, like taking care of the basic amenities so that we can offer the customers a good ambience, and also our staffs are changing, and also like the customer services are improving. So you can, somebody walking into the branch right now to State Bank of India, any branch, they can find the difference. What what difference it has come in terms of customer service and all. So, as you see in West Bengal and in the Kolkata circle, mainly catering to West Bengal, Sikkim, and Andaman and Nicobar, we have around 1,500, more than 1,500 establishment offices. Out of that, 1330, about 1330 branches are there. So that is actually, if we see, then again, out of that, 50% are almost 50% are in kind of rural and semi-urban. So we are playing a very great role in financial inclusion. That is what I wanted to say, to contribute to the society. We are a partner in progress for the country. We are actually helping the economy to grow because of our strong balance sheet. We have grown in MSMEs, agriculture, large corporate, mid corporate, personal segment advances, housing loans. So you see, any area we are present there, and we are supporting the entire community, entire citizens of the country. And we have a vast international presence also. So that way, the NRI diaspora also we are catering to. So in this Viksit Bharat ambition, bank is going to play a very major role, and definitely our progress, bank will be progressing along with its customers and also employees. Employees are the backbone. Customers are the central point to our business. So we always bank has tried to be customer centric and customer focused, and we always aspire to you to offer the best customer service. This branch also, like, please take care of the customer service aspect along with